So this fan is equipped with the toilet if you would like it. It's removable. So to use this, you're going to pull up on these two tabs and it will slide forward, and then it's going to click into place. This is a composting toilet and it's very handy. So the way it's set up is you sit down, you do your business, number 2 goes in the bucket, and before you go, you want to take the sawdust, pour it in there, do your business, pour more sawdust in, and you'll see when we look inside here, and you flip this whole contraption up, we have a bucket with a composting bag, and you wrap that up, pull it out, and you can actually dispose it just like a diaper in a trash can anywhere. There's a cap in here for the jug, and you screw this on and you can get rid of this at any rest stop or bathroom you might go to. So when you put it back down, you want to, of course, make sure you unscrew the cap. We have more compostable bags for you here. Make sure you put those in the bucket. And then you want to feed this tube right down into the pea bucket. And you're good to go. So, and then to put it back, you want to lift up the levers and push it all the way back and make sure it's secure. If it's not, push down on these and that'll keep it there.